Hello friends, welcome again. This is SK Advisory Private Limited.
This video is the continuation of basic knowledge on chart patterns. The next chart pattern we are going to talk is double top. This pattern is formed by two highs are set in the same price level. It's a bearish reversal pattern. So price will be going up, then a double top will appear. Signal to reversal to downside. The double bottom is confirmed. When the break outline comes out from number 2, broken to the downside. The logic behind this pattern implies once again in the simple mechanism with highs and lows. In the chart, double top means that there are two highs hitting the same level, and that means the second high failed to go above the first one. This is a sign of weakness of the buyers because they were not able to surpass the last level they created by themselves. If price is able to break below in between these two highs, it means that sellers are gaining power over the buyers. Not only the buyers failed to create a higher high, but sellers were able to create the last level where buyers came from. This breakout line is formed only by low in between two highs, so it can only be a horizontal line. There are two ways to trade a double top pattern is to wait for price break the line and come back to retest it as resistance just like we saw previously. As price be retraced back to the breakout line, you should watch and observe how price reacts to the line. If it does at that moment enter a short trade and a stop above number 1 and number 3. That's the logical stop loss order because price breaks below the line, it confirms a supply zone in high number 3. That's all we work as a caution or protection to your stop. It doesn't always work, of course. By using this logic, you can increase your chances of avoiding a stop loss. The target should be at least 3 times more than the stop loss. Size one stop and start trade taking profit and target are set. You should not move them at all. You need to wait for the market to either hit your stop or your target. Traders who don't wait for price to trace back to the breakout line as we stated before. It can be little riskier because your stop loss size will be bigger as you're entering in this position. Traders do this when they are afraid of missing the opportunity to sacrifice their energy. However, in the long run, it will be bad for your equity curve. The next reversal pattern we are going to learn and study is some sense logical extension, the double bottom, and it's called triple bottom. It's a bullish reversal pattern. Price will be going down and a triple bottom will appear to signal to reversal to the upside. As I said, it's the extension of the double bottom because it's very similar that pattern, but instead of two lows setting the same level, the triple bottom has three lows sitting in the same price level. In other words, blows 1, 3 and 5 for a nice support, which means it's that the sellers are trying to create a lower lows. So they are failing to do so. Meanwhile, buyers are gaining power to break out to the upside on detail that we see in a triple bottom or we don't see in a double bottom is the fact that breakout line or neckline now has two axes. For some time this line can be sloped instead of horizontal. All depends whatever happened when you connect highs 2 and 4. Form the neckline or breakout line. The way they actually trade the pattern in same before the traders show a way to break out to the upside. The neckline and retrace to the neckline and acting as a support now. That's the other scenario stop. Should be blows 1, 3 and 5 and the target should be at least 3 times as big as the stop loss. Normally, it will tell that the target should be a measured movement. That means that the target be roughly be the same as the stop, and unfortunately, it's not enough to produce good result in the long term to the chaos nature of the market. Remember that these patterns are apart from being perfect and they will fail a lot of the times. Need to compensate that by using smart risk management, which in this case means using tip of profit, which in few times they stop loss. So guys, this session is ended. The rest all topics will be discussed in our upcoming sessions. If this information is helping you, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to be notified on every update from SK Advisories. Thank you.